Hi, my name is Nur Hidayah. You can call me Daya to make it short and sweet. At the Habitats, I'm the naturalist. The naturalist is guiding people to come to our trail, and I'll share as much as I know my knowledge with you. In the Habitats, every day is a new day for me because it's a surprise. Every day you might see different kinds of animals, different kinds of insects. What I feel is when people know more about our rainforest, it's actually more and more people will take care of our rainforest.